Oh.
To choose which tree, not randomly.
Not any tree.
Yeah, randomly. Yeah, you have to just choose a tree.
Okay.
So now, so I have to modify to put the bees inside, and they like it. 2 months ago, our bees here. Oh, our bees here.
Yeah.
So I harvested, but they went away. Yeah? Maybe there was a lot of fight there, so that's why. But they are coming up. They are coming back also. Can you see there was bees here?
Yeah.
So this is just an old box
Yeah.
which is thrown away.
Yeah.
I collect it and put. I wish.
Oh.
They are there, my friend.
They sting.
Don't joke. Ooh. What? They're inside? No, they're not. Maybe they are looking for something. The wax. This
Oh.
black one. We used to you have to steal this one to another beehive.
Okay.
Yeah, because they want this one is being covered there. They don't want many holes. So they have to cover one hole or the other and they left two.
Okay.
Because of this watering conditions. You must have water. You must have the flowers. Even though this is the season for flowering. Even I can show you in my home, there are some trees which was already flowered. They have to have a security. Security means you have to put a very nice, which is a very nice beehive, which is not, there's not a lot of air inside, the wind. They don't want wind. They don't want wind. They want a clean place.
Okay.
They want a clean place. Very old. This is almost 13 years. 13 years. I've just harvested 13 years. So, but they are there now. There's somebody there. Can you see? Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are there. These are new. So, these are new.
Oh.
Yeah, these are new. And maybe at the next of these days, these will come here. These are new.
Wanadunga?
They're just like that. The ones. Can you see they are surveying?
Yeah.
They're surveying. They're surveying. They will get in very soon. So there's a big one here. Last year. Karibu. And you see, I'm using a very local thing. That one.
Yeah, very traditional.
Yes. And if you come here a little bit, they're there. And you see they are there?
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh, yes.
They're very busy. They're very busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're very busy right now there. I harvest this one is almost another 30 to 40 kgs. That's a big one. Yeah. can cut through all some of them.
Yeah. Yeah. Ini berapa bagi deh, Pak? Ini lu ruang. Ini warna shongkar.
You're still in?
I see from this.
Yeah. Hmm? Can you see now?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm the one who made it.
Wow.
Oh,
Nobody else. I'm the one who make it. Yeah. You know, and the harvesting time, if you harvest, I always harvest maybe 100 kgs to 150.
per harvesting time.
Yes.
Oh, that's
You
a
can't
lot.
carry, it's too heavy.
That's a lot.
Yes. That's 100,000.
Oh my goodness.
What do you need another?
Oh,
Huh? Yeah. Okay. You go to the last one, then you go there.
sure.
Yeah. Just very local. And you don't put together because of scramble of food.
Oh, so you distribute them for
You
that
distribute
purpose.
them, yeah. Yeah. They also fight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Slowly. Slowly. Yes. Just come slowly. It's wet.